Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the angle units in the Avenza Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, look for the units of measurement button and click on that. And at the default units section, look for the angle button and click on that. And as you can see, there is one option available if you're not subscribed to the pro version, so you can set this to the angle measurement. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.